Hi guys, thanks so much for stopping by. I have two things that I'm excited to share with you today. The first one is another Rocksbox unboxing, and this is my second one for the month of March. And the other thing I'm going to show you is the top that I'm wearing with a mini review and an outfit of the day. So let's get started. So as always, I can't wait to see what's in this pretty little box. So the first thing that we have is a card that says Time to Shine, and this is also the price list. We're going to look at that in a minute. And we have the pretty tissue paper with a little sticker that says yay. That's the way I feel about new jewelry. And inside the pretty tissue paper are the gray microfiber Rocksbox bags. So let's see what's in the first bag. A pair of earrings that are protected in bubble wrap. And I see that they are gold tone with beautiful sparkly blue stones. And I am going to go ahead and insert a close-up. I realize that you can't see it from this distance. But at a glance, I do really like these. I want to say that these stones are called druzy or druze. I'm not sure how that's pronounced. I feel like it's druzy. Let me know in the comments down below. But these are really pretty, and I'm curious to see how much they are. Let's see what else we got. Second bag feels really light. I'm thinking it's either a delicate necklace or maybe a bracelet, so let's see. So this bracelet is totally my jam. It's a gold tone metal, and I do wear all metals, so I'm fine with that. It has a beautiful blue stone in the center, and the thing that I like the most about it is that it's adjustable, so I can put it on and off myself with these sliders. It's made similar to the bracelet that I have on now, and you're also getting a peek of my outfit of the day with these bell sleeves, but I'll give you a better view of that in a moment. But back to the bracelet. I love this, and I hope that I can afford it. If it's overpriced, I'm not going to get it, but if I can swing this and if the pricing works out well, this is going to be a keeper. So let's see what else I got. So the next bag feels a good bit more substantial, so maybe it's a necklace, maybe even a statement necklace. Let's see. And we have some earrings by Slate. They're in bubble wrap, which I'll take it off so that you can see. And they look like silver tone, and they're dangle. I really like these. They have a shepherd's hook back with the little clear stoppers that keep them on your ears. The length is great. I have ridiculously thick hair, and so these aren't going to get lost in it like a lot of earrings do. And these feel substantial, not in a too heavy way, but they definitely don't feel tinny and cheap. And speaking of cheap, I'm curious to see what the price of these are. Am I going to pay $103 for these particular 3 pieces of costume jewelry? No. What I believe I'm going to do is go ahead and get the bracelet. Even though it's $55, I already am invested $21 into it. So I'm going to pay another $30-some and get that bracelet to own. I don't want to borrow it. I can send all the pieces back and get 3 more pieces sent to me if I send it all in the same month with the same $21 monthly credit. But I'm really not into borrowing jewelry. I want to either own it or send it back. So I'll send back the 2 pieces and keep the 1. I am truly curious what you think about this service. Have you been watching other Rocksbox unboxings? Do you think the pricing is high? Does it strike you odd that you can borrow pieces for as long as you want and they'll keep sending you jewelry as long as you're vested in that $21 a month? If you have a small jewelry collection, I guess that might work because then you would have a bunch of new pieces every month and then you could just send them back and get more. But what are your thoughts on this service? Do you want to continue to see Rocksbox unboxings? Have you tried it? And if so, do you buy all 3? Do you just keep 1 piece? Do you borrow the jewelry? Let me know what you think about this concept. So as promised, I'm going to go ahead and do the outfit of the day, specifically reviewing this top. I was cleaning my house the other day, and as I often do, I had QVC on in the background, just listening to it halfway, and I heard them describing this top, and it made me stop what I was doing and go over to the TV screen. The first thing that I noticed was that they had it in the Pantone color of the year, which is this coral, and I don't own a single other thing in this color, which is what prompted me to get it. I also liked the style. I have found from past experience that Susan Graver pieces from QVC tend to run generous in size, and I know that her styles are meant to just kind of drape over the body without being too fitted, which is fine, but I like more of a little bit of a semi-fitted look, I'll say. So I was drawn to this because of the color, but I did like the top so much that I ordered it to be on the safe side in 2 colors and 2 sizes. So this is the coral option, and I'll show you this full length with my full outfit. And this is in the size extra small. Now typically on the top I wear a size 4. And on bottoms, I used to wear a size 4, but I've put on a little bit of weight, so now I'm leaning more toward pushing at the higher end of a size 6, but that's a side note. So I also ordered the top in red, which is one of my favorite colors, and I ordered this in a size small. And when I tried these on, the size small just looked shapeless on me. Even doing a front tuck, it did nothing for me. But what I liked about this top was the pretty flutter detail, the bell sleeves. It's light and airy. You can roll it into a ball. It would travel well. It's not going to wrinkle, and I love the vibrant colors. It also came in black and like an aqua color. And I may go back online and see if they still have the aqua color or the blue color, because that's how much I like it. So I'm going to send the red one back to get a size extra small. Now another reason that I went ahead and picked up these tops is they were on clearance for $38.74 and then another $3.50 for shipping. And I will put the QVC item number down below. Full disclosure, I am in no way affiliated with QVC. I'm just someone who sees it on TV and ordered something and wanted to show it to you. And this is what I'm showing you. Thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to spend with me. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe and notification bell. Until next time, bye guys.